just gonna go for a scooter ride here with my son, and we're just gonna go ahead and see how this wagon perform. Riding this, so my drink, you guys can see, and that's where my son is. Body handle it without no problem. And then we're gonna go ahead and gonna go ride in the sand. See what we can do. The braking is good. The brakes are good. Look at that. It's moving. Alright guys, riding in the sand, especially with the trailer, it still rides faster than walking, especially in a soft, wet sand. So it would be better if you ride this in the low tide, especially when the sand is already like settled, when it's hard. I have a video. If you guys saw my video, I had that on my other video, so you can check it out. But anyway, I'm just showing you guys my experience riding it with the trailer, and everything's okay. Dji Mavic AIR 2, and follow with my son. Woohoo! Look at that. Alright guys, this is how the Mavic AIR 2 drone works when it follows you using active track feature. This is what the drone does, actually tracking you while you're riding around. And I think it's better than using a 360 camera. That's the reason why I'm just having this footage to show it to you guys. Alright guys, I'm actually riding with the trailer in the soft sand on the beach, and you guys can see here, it rides okay. Am I gonna recommend it for you guys? Yes, it depends. I mean, the scooter has enough power to pull, you know, if you have a trailer. It depends on your weight, so it's still able to do it, but just letting you know that if you're riding this scooter, especially, you can see the front wheels. It was a little bit like peeling out because of the traction. But if you ride it without, I mean, you can see here, I had no problem with it riding my scooter, especially with the trailer. Just showing it to you guys in a raw footage. So this is the speed if you're riding it on a high tide. But I'm pretty sure if you ride it low tide, it's much faster. Woohoo! Now I just got my drone footage from above. Now I'm gonna go ahead and land my Mavic AIR 2. The riders! Woohoo! Still handle. God, it's hot. Yeah. Woohoo! It's riding. You okay, guy? You're running over. It's just awesome the way you ride a scooter. Just the feeling of it is just awesome, I would say. Adrenaline rush. Look at the scooter. Moving fast. Yeah, like I said, it's way to go. I mean, you can have your drink right here with you. Then you can just have your son with you right there. He's like really sleepy already. It's hot as hell. Yeah, bro. Handling it, no problem. See here. Riding on the beach is not a bad deal. It was, you know, it's high tide, but it can still go. You're not gonna be riding fast. But of course, always better if you're riding on the road. But you know, just to try it out. If it's low tide, probably like that. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Come on. So the scooter survived, and the wagon, riding it in the soft sand beach. I mean, it's with the salt water and everything, so just make sure you rinse it when you're done. But anyway, I just want to say thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.